and welcome everyone to my Kaggle Capstone project. This is Namma Aasthi AI, a multi-agent site check or a commercial space analyzer. Nowadays, if you want to open a business in Bangalore, say a saloon or a restaurant, you need to figure out electricity costs, water expenses, whether the location has good visibility and accessibility, and who your competitors are, and what all license you require to run the place. That means visiting the site, reading through documents from BESCOM and BWSSB for tariffs, checking Google Maps for competitors, for connections, and for legal issues, as well as hiring legal contracts for finding reputation related to your location. Each of these tasks can take hours. This project brings it all down to a single query, which takes around 2 minutes to give you a concise report on what all you would require. So let me first explain the agent architecture so that you can understand the details. How this starts is a user prompts a query, and you have the first LLM agent called the prompt splitter. It splits your query into four different tailored subprompts, one for an electricity bill summarizer, one for a spatial agent, intelligence agent, one for a legal compliance agent, and one for a water resource agent. These four run parallelly under a parallel agent, and they give their concise reports to a report agent, which then outputs an .html file which can be used as a report. The electricity summarizer agent uses tariffs as data directly downloaded from the BESCOM website. The GIS agent uses NATEM API and Overpass API to find data for you based on the location you have mentioned. It takes natural language as query and provides you information. The legal compliance agent uses the inbuilt Google ADK tool for Google search. And water resource agent again uses downloaded BWSSB tariff documents. So let me show you a demo example. You can clone the repo from the given repo link in the project. You can then CD into the agents directory and follow the steps for the setup. Once you're there, you can open the agent UI and choose the orchestrator agent. Now here is my query and I'm going to run it. These usually take approximately 1 to 2 minutes. And you can see the agent structure graph. You can also track which agent is running over here. You can check each individual agent's usage, and you can see the running output here. We'll give this a little bit of time and see how things go. This is still running. As you can see, this is the location intelligence report. This is if you go up here, legal issues, legal permits required. I think now it's in the final step, giving a concise report, which will soon be available. Meanwhile, I can mention that I have tested this across multiple locations, and what we have come to note down is that it takes approximately 1.5 to 2 minutes to generate a report. On an average, it takes around 90,000 tokens, which might seem a lot, but is not. This is with using Gemini 3.5 Flash. And one report costs approximately 11 rupees or 13.5 cents. This is much better than a lot of time wasted going and surveying places or hiring a legal agent. The final report is generated. Let's have a look. So here is the final report. As you can see, it starts with the exact location. It mentions area, business type, Korean restaurant. It will give you badges. It will give you details of what all uh, assumptions about electricity costs are, and it mention the top electricity consumers. Here are water resources, kitchen operations, dishwash, sanitation. It mentions how many monthly kiloliters are required, usage level. Location intelligence, it gives you a summary of where it is, exact coordinates, says it is a high density region. I know this because I live nearby within 2 kilometer radius. And it's very accurate. Over here, it has a visibility and accessibility rating. And as you, this is an upcoming area, so you can see competition level is low. Here is a summary of legal permits required. It says there are minor concerns regarding local reputation, and you need 8 different licenses. And here is a small overall recommendation. Thank you, and that's it for my project.